I'd say the Cummins is a little bit of a beast. What do you guys think? Now, that truck doesn't weigh much and it has absolutely terrible tires, but it definitely yanked the 53 off the trailer with ease. Well, maybe not ease. We gave her some good solid yanks for it to come off, but I kind of wish we could have used the F450, but that 450 was holding down the trailer, as you see in the video. But I freaking love that Cummins, guys. Well, this is going to be a super spontaneous trip, but we will arrive around 1 a.m. and I got a special thing going on from a subscriber. Now, he sent me a message and said he had what I'm looking for, and I will show you guys when we get down there. It's kind of weird that I'm going at, 1 o'clock in the morning to buy something from, a fan or a subscriber, but it's kind of cool in its own little, car guy type of way. It's what we do. Us car guys, we help each other out when you need and hook each other up. So we're gonna head down here. I believe the guy's name is Tony, and I will show you guys what we're getting. Now, this is something for the Bruce project, so it is freaking, obviously, there's not too many ways that we could be going or what we could be going to get, but you guys will see in a couple minutes. I'm out of money now. All right, guys, so this is actually the size tire that is on the Bruce now. It is a 35-inch tall tire. So we are actually here and we are purchasing 44-inch Super Swamper Boggers. This thing is definitely taking a whole nother level, and I can't wait to get these things on. Stay tuned. He has a tire machine and everything. We're gonna go ahead and get it mounted and balanced and get him in the truck. I'm gonna buy wheels too from him. He has a set of 8-lug wheels, since you do know I am 8-lug swapping it. So we're gonna be good to go. You're not a sparkler, don't drive lit, is what the signs say down there. That's pretty funny. All right, well, we're loaded back up. We got about 2 hours left of the trip. Hour and 45. I'll be home by 4:30. Plugging and chugging, baby. 278. Plugging and chugging. Well, the truck did absolutely amazing. John Doc, thank you for keeping me awake during this trip. Just kind of background music. I wasn't actually, just sitting here watching. It was just background music, and I was learning some drag racing. So John Doc, thank you for that. The truck did absolutely amazing, as always, guys. I'm gonna go in here and I'll pick back up in the morning. All right, guys, we are freaking back. I am freaking pumped. We have got our, wait, what the heck is this? Oh, that's right, this is a knivesdeal.com ad. And if you don't know, knivesdeal.com, for 10% off, use promo code SENDTOSTEVE, all one word. You could carry stuff like this. This is one of the first knives that I got and I started to carry. I absolutely love it. But then I switched over to this knife over here, and I absolutely love it and keep that in the truck now. You can tell the blade is certainly used, and the handle is all beat up because I carry it. That's the one I stabbed the tires. If you didn't see the video where we ran over cars, that's the knife that stabbed the tire. And then this is the new carry piece that I've been using. You can tell by the blade. I've been beating her down pretty good. Then if you come over here, knivesdeal.com, again, 10% off. Use promo code SENDITSTEVE. You can get your buck knife. It says, the few, the proud, the Marines. Now, this is officially licensed by the U.S. Marine Corps. And it also comes in a pretty sweet little carrying case. So again, guys, knivesdeal.com. Every dollar that you spend is a chance to win this Jeep. I'm going to toss in right here. And much like you've seen over there, there's first gear. There is your neutral position, and you slide your gear select back, and you have your reverse. Now, one of the cool features that it does light up which gear you are actually in. That is freaking cool. So you know where you're at all times. And it's a pretty cool piece. Definitely cool, to say the least. I cannot wait to get out here and play with it. Well, you're gonna see the footage from me playing with it here in a little bit, but that is right, guys. Again, for every dollar you spend on knivesdeal.com is an entry to win one of these. I know you guys absolutely love my knivesdeal.com ads, but you can win that Jeep, and somebody will. It ends August 31st. Somebody's gonna walk away with it, and it's gonna get literally shipped to your door. That thing's freaking badass. So, as you guys do know, these wheels are 8-lug wheels. So, lo and behold, today, we jumped in old Reliable here, and we actually got ourselves a transmission. Wait, no. Oh, that is right. a Dana 44 Ford front end, front differential, and we got our Dana 60 in the rear, all 1-ton 8 lug, and I am freaking excited, guys, to say the least. This truck is going to go in an entirely another level. I didn't think we were ever going to do this, and we actually are going to link up with Texas Speed, which you guys do know I did get the cam, and I got the cam in the mail the other week, so it's only a matter of time. I'm going to send them a set of heads. They're going to do the heads, or I might just use the heads that are for the LS2 and the Trans Am. I might just use them and then send another set of heads out, but they're going to do a heads and cam. Well, we're going to do it, but they're going to join up with us, and the Bruce is going to have some real power. Alrighty, guys, so there you have it. We have another video wrapped up, and I am, like I said 10 times in this video, I am freaking ecstatic. I cannot wait to get down to Danny's. We got a lot to do by, you know, obviously we got to get the 1-ton axles down there. We got to get the Bruce down there. We also got to get the 53 down there because Danny wants to assess that situation. So definitely stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're going to have the 53 on its way down to Danny, and I got kind of some bad news, guys. You're definitely going to want to check out tomorrow's video. I definitely have some bad news about, you know, you'll have to just check out tomorrow's video, but we are going to take these all down to Danny and get everything swapped over. Again, definitely check out Danny Slow Restoration. He opens his shop up to us, and I'm, you know, very, very thankful that he, you know, helps us out when we need it and lets us jump in there and do what we need to do. So I'm a little tired, a little exhausted. I did a lot of driving. I think I did, like, it was a little under 500 miles in 2 days. It was like 13 hours. Drove down there, did what I had to do, turned around and came back, and that was freaking exhausting. I didn't get home till 4:30. As you see in the video, I ended up jumping in and going right to sleep, and then waking back up at 8 o'clock. I had to go get the differentials. I had to pick them up by 9 o'clock the next morning in Greencastle, which is an hour and a half the opposite direction from Delaware. So there you have it, guys. We now have our 1-ton axles. We now have our 44-inch Super Solver Boggers, and I am freaking, again, guys, excited that we are taking this project to the next level. So we will have this thing in mud bogs. I believe there's one coming up this weekend. It is 4-wheel jamboree up in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. So if you guys are out and about and want to check out a pretty cool event, I've never actually been there, but it's going to be hopefully the first event that we can get the Bruce to. Like, again, I'm going to go down to Danny's. We're going to try to knock out as much as we can this week, and hopefully we'll have everything where we need it to be. So again, if you guys like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and again, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's kind of a good situation, but a bad situation in regards to the 53 Ford. So again, guys, I will check you guys in the next video, and I don't know. That's it. I'm going to roll the outro. There's no outro. Plug and chug.